Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to get on Apple Plus on PS5. So, say you're playing a game, what you want to do is go ahead, push this PS button, go to home, or you'll start off in the home page right here. Go on top, next to games is media. We're going to go to media, and then we're going to go down and you'll see a list. Bam, right there, Apple TV. So then we're going to go ahead, push Apple TV. You're going to download and then you're going to sign up or sign in. Once you sign, if you already have an account, then all you have to do is sign in and then you have access right away. If you don't have an account, then you're going to have to sign up and pay their fee with either Apple Pay or some credit card. And then you're going to have access to Apple TV and you can watch it from your PS5 and whatever TV or monitor you're connected to. Before I go, I'll go ahead and show you one last thing. So once we're in that media section, so I'm at home, I'm at the media section. This is the list. Now, whenever we go down, Prime Video is going to be on one of these options. And then we're going to be able to quickly see what movies they're promoting or pushing right now. And then you can just directly go in and watch your movies. All right, guys, I hope that video helps, and please like or comment below if it did. See you next time. Bye-bye.